Rain in Mexico, possibly worsening the flood situation there. Also, Typhoon Dan in Taiwan has brought torrential rain and also widespread flooding. But we haven't got flooding problems in Eastern Europe, although we've seen some heavy rain in Romania, close to 30 millimetres falling in 24 hours, and also quite an unsettled picture elsewhere in Central and Northern Europe. Further showers or longer spells of rain here, but always some brighter spells too. Some thundery showers coming up in the central parts of the Mediterranean, those continuing on Saturday. But on Sunday, you should see a lot of fine weather in the Mediterranean and warm in Iberia and much of France. In fact, the weather will remain fine during today for the rugby in Bordeaux between France and Namibia. But that can't be said further north for the match at Murrayfield between Scotland and Uruguay, where we'll have blustery winds and also some outbreaks of rain. We've seen some rain already over much of the country during this morning. That's cleared away eastwards now. There is some now coming into northwestern areas along this area of low pressure. That's going to move quite quickly away eastwards, and then we'll see fairly mild west to southwest winds. And then as this area of high pressure comes in from the southwest, it will feel fresher as winds come in from the west to northwest. Well, currently we have a good deal of cloud across the country. There are some breaks over England and Wales, but we can see that rain up to the northwest. That's going to continue to move eastwards across Scotland and Northern Ireland, perhaps becoming drier by dusk in the far northwest. But the best of the brightness in many parts of England and Wales, and here quite mild, temperatures 16 to 17, but always a breezy day and quite strong southwest winds at times across Northern Ireland, southern Scotland and northern England. Well, that area of low pressure continues to move away eastwards during tonight, and to the south and west of this front it's going to be very mild but quite misty and a lot of dull low cloud around. But up to the north we are going to see clearer, drier weather, quite chilly with perhaps a touch of ground frost in the glens of Scotland. Now, many eastern areas tomorrow morning starting off dry but fairly cloudy. Elsewhere, a lot of low cloud around, particularly in the northwest. Some drizzling rain that will continue to gather and make its way eastwards across Northern Ireland and Scotland in the afternoon. And like today, we'll see some drier, brighter weather in many parts of England and Wales with temperatures similar. Now, during Sunday, we're going to start to see this cold front coming in from the northwest, but ahead of that, that area of high pressure bringing us some dry weather. That's good news for the runners in the Great North Run at Newcastle, although it will be gusty with temperatures of around 16 Celsius. Elsewhere, a lot of cloud out in the west with some outbreaks of rain and quite windy. That's the weather for now. Goodbye.